Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin Daily Analysis for today, Sunday, 22 of December of 2024. Well, Bitcoin just closed the daily candle and didn't respect this order block. Basically closed below by a little, but it was below. Technically, the order block is the whole candle, basically, but this zone is a full zone of resistance, but I usually in the daily time frame I'm using only the open from the lowest candle that create a swing low. That the lowest negative candle that create a swing low, I use the open. So technically didn't respect it. So the likelihood, more than the likelihood that yesterday we talked that since Bitcoin create this huge wick to the upside, swipe the liquidity from this point and these 2 points, the likelihood for just this Saturday was to going up, and basically Bitcoin did that, going up, but it get rejected in this zone, and get rejected because we have three zones of resistance: one fair value gap, one inverted fair value gap that comes from this candle, and one inverted fair value gap that comes from this candle. So basically, there's a lot of resistance here, and if you, for example, down to 1 hour, you see that Bitcoin just enter, and get rejected. Didn't able to close a daily a 1 hour candle over the midpoint of the bigger fair value gap. So basically, this zone is still pretty valid as a zone of resistance for the Bitcoin price. And the most likely scenario, since Bitcoin get rejected in this zone, is that it will come down this Sunday. And how down? Well, we have this first zone here, that is the midpoint of this huge wick. And we will remove this the daily line from here because we don't need it, but the weekly we will use it. We will still use it because today is Sunday, the weekly candle closed, so we need to evaluate that. And the another zone of not resistance, because this is the first zone of resistance, but here we have two zones of liquidity that are super close basically. And bad luck, we have another zone that is super close to. Basically, Bitcoin can wick down just one wick to this zone very easy. This zone is basically at, from the open of this Sunday, is around, oh, sorry, I missed the click, is by around 8.77%. It's basically achievable during one day. I don't know if Sunday will do that. Maybe there's a lot of volatility for a Sunday, but maybe during the weekend or during a few days to the downside, Bitcoin can swipe these 3 points because they are so close. Maybe Bitcoin will try to, let me draw my expected scenario, because things are getting pretty weird. I think one, since Bitcoin get rejected here, I think it's likely that we will go to this place. Then when we go to this place, we can go here, get rejected here, and then dump down and pick up these 3 points. And then going up and break the all-time high. The whole movement will put us around, I don't know, at least to this place during the next week, and during the end of the year and the first part of January, maybe to here. I don't know, guys. This is pretty extreme. Bitcoin just can go up from now, but since get rejected from here, I don't think Bitcoin will continue going up just from here. I think it's more likely that it will go to this place, but I can be wrong. Bitcoin do whatever it wants, but I'm putting an eye on this zone because these 3 points are basically so close, so close. And here we have a fair value gap in the daily time frame that we haven't touched it yet, and we have another here, and we need to see what's happening in the weekly time frame, because in the weekly time frame we will have to another fair value. We have a few fair value gaps in the weekly time frame here. So basically, if Bitcoin touch these points, can go basically without any problem to this fair value gap and get rejected from here. So basically, if Bitcoin goes up, take this place or this place, get rejected, go and touch this huge fair value gap in the weekly time frame and swipe the liquidity from this 3 point, and that will create a lot of strength to go to the upside. That is one scenario. I think is there's a chance that Bitcoin will do that, but there's still a chance that Bitcoin, since it swipe a lot of liquidity, it go up from here without any problem. Just need to pass this zone and this zone and this zone, that is two fair value gaps, and this order block. And another thing that it can happen is basically Bitcoin started to go up from here, create a new all-time high around 100 and I don't know, 126, 27, and then get rejected to this fair value gap during a correction, maybe during January. That will be a correction of about, I don't know, 31%. That is pretty normal for a Bitcoin in a bull market. So that is another scenario that I manage for now, that I'm looking for. But I think it's more in a long term, because Bitcoin need to arrive to basically to this place to see what's happened. But usually when Bitcoin corrects, it corrects around 30%. The bigger correction during the bull market. But for now, you need to continue checking this zone, guys, that is 94,850, and these two zones, because here we have a lot of liquidity, these two zones of fair value gaps and this zone of this midpoint of this wick. And if Bitcoin continue going up and close over here, this is another block that we should put a lot of attention, because Bitcoin usually get rejected at order blocks, and then we can go down. And if we go down, these 3 points are usually together for a big swipe in liquidity. Okay, guys, this is the analysis. Hope you like it. And this Sunday we will check the weekly candle and do the analysis for the whole week and see what's happened. But for now, these are the zones to watch out if Bitcoin wants to go up. And for the downside, this and these 3 points basically to the downside. Hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Hope you like this analysis, guys. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.